If you're looking to add some lights to the front end of your JL, today we're going to be installing this Baja Designs lower A-pillar dual light mount bracket fitting your 2018 JL Wrangler. This Baja Designs light bracket is featured out of CNC precision cut steel and then powder coated in a satin black, and includes all the necessary hardware to get 2 lights mounted up on your windshield or add a 40-inch light bar across the front of it. With that being said, we're going to get it mounted up on our JL Wrangler and see how it looks. The first step of this installation is to remove the 2 bolts that hold on this cowl panel right here. You're going to use a T30 Torx bit socket, so let's get started. And you can set these aside, you will not be reusing them. Now we're going to do this on the passenger side, and as you can see, this is the passenger side bracket. It's going to have this smaller mount here for your pod light, as well as up front if you decide to run a 40-inch. Now you're going to put it on in this manner, but first we're going to put the spacers down, so let's do that. Set your spacers into place. Go ahead and set your bracket over top of them. Then use the provided hardware to go through into the factory mounting locations. Get the front one started, move on to the rear. Then we'll get them tightened up with a 10mm socket. Now once it's tightened up, we're going to repeat the same process on the other side. That wraps up the installation of this Baja Designs dual A-pillar lower bracket on our 2018 JL Wrangler. As you can see, we've got 2 Baja Designs lights up there just to show you what it looks like. You can also mount a 40-inch right across the front of the hood. That's a pretty cool feature, and mount a bunch of other aftermarket lights. Now to find all of your lighting needs as well as bracket needs for your JL, be sure to check out cjponyparts.com.